Hiccups while I'm on my way for a night out. Going out to get sushi, have some drinks, going out to see Saw X. And I just filmed 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. And they keep going. And my head's starting to hurt. Actually, I'm starting to get a headache because there's just like so much going on up here. I don't know why. I just crunched my face up, I guess, and that's why it's sore. That sounds silly. I don't know. But also, it could just be because I had surgery on my tooth today, and I'm suffering. But ibuprofen is taking that inflammation down, so that's what we need. You guys like my shirt? Hiccups. Hiccups with no burps. No burps. I accidentally burped, but no burps in this one. Just hiccups. Can this come to an end? I said they've been going on for like 15 minutes. Water's not working. I guess I'll hold my breath. It's just annoying at this point. Like, it's like 10 minutes and I'm done. Like, okay. I could have held it for longer, but I felt a hiccup coming, so I just decided to give up. Anyway. You guys can look forward to a free hiccup YouTube video. I'll get that posted ASAP. I'm out right now. I'm having fun, so. Jeez. Alright. Everybody have a safe weekend. I'm gonna end this.